All right. Well, I'm going to go ahead and break down camp today. It's Monday. I got stuff coming from Amazon. And so I'm just going to go ahead and go on back to home base. Just for a couple of days though. I'll be back out as soon as I get the stuff done. I got a brake rotor coming and some brake pads and stuff like that. I got to get a battery. There's other supplies that I need to get while I'm down there that I'm not going to pay the prices in Payson for or in Heber. So I'm just out taking a little walk this morning, looking around. Probably go this afternoon sometime. Although I probably should go this morning. Try to beat some of the traffic, I guess, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I just kind of mosey along anyway. I'm not in a great big hurry. I may as well just go ahead and load up with water while I'm down there. Take a little walk out here on the road. See if we can see any aliens. I don't see anybody. So I got to looking around. I've been hearing some noises, but it didn't sound like brakes on the truck. So I got to looking around yesterday, I guess it was, and there's an awful lot of brake dust on the wheel. So I didn't jack it up and take the wheel off or anything. I just kind of, wow, out of breath. So I didn't take the wheel off or anything like that to inspect, but I did kind of crawl up underneath there and look, and yeah, it's getting down there pretty good. So it's got a wear indicator on it, and I waited too long, I guess. It started getting into the rotor a little bit. I could probably have it turned out again, but I'm just going to go ahead and replace it. I always found that when they get into the rotor like that, then when you turn them, they always squeak afterwards. So let's go ahead and get a new one. That's one of my favorite spots right there. I just love that. It's all shady and the trees are really thick, nice grass. Pine needle's pretty thick. So yeah, it's definitely the battery. I checked out all of the cables and all that, and charged it up good. Took the cables off and then checked it a few hours later, and it's not holding a charge. So time for a new one. I was going to start a fire this morning and have a little coffee chat, but I'm not exactly sure when I'm going to take off, and I don't want to wait for the fire to go dead, and I don't want to pour a bunch of water in it make everything all wet if somebody decides to come in after I leave, you know. Okay, I guess this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and film the trip back down the hill, so y'all be able to see that. Okay, I guess that's it. Talk to you later.